How to submit a proposal for a job on PeoplePerHour. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can submit a proposal for a job on PeoplePerHour. So let's go. The first step would be for you to log in into your PeoplePerHour account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right side of the screen where you can see options like post offer, search, then your profile icon. Click on the search icon in order for you to search out jobs that you would like to send proposals to. So scroll down to the last part where you can see search projects to quote on, and then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the page where you can now search out freelance jobs. So on this page, you can decide to search out the particular job that you want. All right, so let's say, for example, you're looking for a job where virtual assistants are needed. So just go ahead and type out virtual assistant, and then the page will be loaded and you would be able to see jobs that appeals or for virtual or looks for a virtual assistant. So just select the one that is okay by you. Maybe the pay and the experience level is okay by you. And so once you have found that, the next step would be for you to move to the right side of the screen where you can see the option send proposals and click on that. So by sending proposal, you'll be taken to the next stage where you would see a list of options. You would see a box asking you to write a compelling proposal. Just go ahead and ensure you write a compelling proposal. If you have any document, perhaps the proposal has been written out and saved in a document, you can also upload that, okay, and explain why you are a good fit for the job and how you can meet your client's needs. All right, so specify your budget, double check your proposal for any errors, and then you can submit it to your client. You'll see the box displayed here. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you can send out proposals for jobs on PeoplePerHour. Thank you for watching and have a good day.